Hi everyone. Today we will see about the binary operations in Python, the basics, how we can manipulate binary integers, which is represented as string as input, and how can we do the bitwise OR operator in it. Okay, for example, let us take a binary operator which is represented as string. Okay, so if you type the type of this, it will come as string. Right, so as you see it is coming as string. So how to convert this as a binary integer? So in Python we have this operator int, and then you represent that as base 2. So this is how you convert the string binary integer into a int with base 2. So if you give this, it give you the binary integer value, which is 25. Okay, and then if you want to represent it as a binary value, so you need to convert it back to binary of x. Okay, and then the type would be shown as string. So as you can see, we converted that string to integer with base 2. So 1101 binary value is 25 in integer. But if you want to get the binary representation, if I print the binary representation of that, it is 0b11001. So this is the basics of manipulating binary strings, which is present as an input, and then if you want to do some operations, this is the basics we need to understand. Okay, so to convert it into a binary integer value, we use int, which converts the string as integer value 25, and then to represent it that particular value as binary, we use bin. Okay, so what are the operations we can do with this? For example, we have a x, which is the list of binary integers shown as string, and then here we are using a list comprehension in which we convert this string binary values into a integer value. Okay, so what happens here is, so you get the actual integer value of this binary representation string, and then if you want to do a OR operations between x of 0 and x of 1, so you get the OR operation value. So what is that OR operation value? So here the input 1 here is 1 0 0 1 0. So in OR, 1 will give you 1, 1 0 will give you 1, 0 1 will give you 1, and 0 0 will give you 0. So here 1 and 1 gives 1, 0 0 gives 0, and 0 1 gives 1, 1 1 gives 1, 0 0 gives 0. So that is the value we get over here, right? So here the OR operation happens between these two values, and 18 and 30. So here 11110 is the output of that OR operation, and the expected value is 30. So how can we see that value? So run this script, and you can see here when v is the x of 0 odd with x of 1, the binary representation of v is nothing but 11110. Okay, so for example, this can be used in for example, if you want to get the maximum 1 in this particular list, so which string has the maximum ones? So some questions like that we can easily use this manipulation and get result. So as that is what this program is going to do. So what happens is we initialize maximum count as 0 and x value as this. So we iterate over each of the list value and get the count of 1. Since binary representation is a string, we can use the count method for that and get the number of 1 values in it, and then we can get the maximum 1 count. String representation cannot be okay. Yeah, so we need to convert this to a string, right? So what we need to do is x equal to int I comma 2 for I in x. Yeah, so we need to convert it to integer, and then integer value will be converted to binary as we saw from here, and then we can get the max 1 count value. So this is the basic understanding how to do binary bitwise operations in Python. Thanks a lot.